Do you know that it is possible for you to earn money from a WhatsApp channel? That app you have in your phone, you are using to text, you are using to chat, you are laughing, you are raising your legs up to giggle. Do you know that there is a way and means to make money from that app? Apart from posting on your WhatsApp status, that's what I'm going to be teaching you. This video, I'll be teaching you how to create a successful WhatsApp channel, how to go about it, all you need to know about your WhatsApp channel, and also how to earn money from it. So if this video is what you're going to be interested in, then do well to stick to the end of this video. Hi, I'm Chioma. Welcome to my channel. I teach how to grow your social media platform, how to edit, how to go faceless, and also how to earn money online. Do well to subscribe to join this wonderful community, and don't forget to turn on your notification bar on so that you notify whenever a new video is being uploaded. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you for your love. I really appreciate that. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your WhatsApp channel and how to make money from it. So let's go.
So now we are going to the WhatsApp app, and these are other channels that are made already, like you can see them. Let's click on explore more. Now I'm going to click on explore more, so I'll show you other channels. You can see we have the Brain Jota, we have the Brother Shaggy, we have the sports, we have the news and entertainment, lifestyle, people, businesses, like a whole lot of WhatsApp channels. And if you want your own to be included here, you have to take your WhatsApp channel very serious and be serious with it. Now I'm going to be clicking this three dash. It shows Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria, so it's going to be showing you that location where you are in. So now let's go to the part on how to create the channel. You're going to click on these three dots here. You're going to click on the three dots at the upper side of your phone. You will now click on create channel because you want to create channel. When you now click on create channel, you click on continue. Then it will now bring out this part for you. Then you will decide whatever name you want to give to your channel. Now I'm going to name my own how to make money online or make money online. Yes. Then I will change the what I want people to know about the channel. I will say I will help you grow your finances. Yes, that's what I'm going to input here. Then we have to add profile picture. I'm going to click on add photo and choose photo. Then I will now have to choose from any photo here. Now I'll create on create channel. Now the channel has been created. Make money online. This is it. Now if I want to share my channel link to people, you can see where they said share to my status and share channel links. Now for you to share to your status, you have to click on share to my status. Then it will go through and people will see your status about the channel. And before I forget, this channel is a place that only you have the capacity to post, only you have the power to bring in and move out. So this channel is only you that can do anything here, no other person, unless it's an admin. My network is bad, unless it's an admin that can be able to put anything back in this channel. So this channel is a good something. Now for you to share the link, you click on share link. You can see send the link via WhatsApp, share to my status. So this is how to create your WhatsApp channel in the right way.
You have watched how to create your WhatsApp channel successfully. Now let's talk about how to earn money from it. The first way to earn money from it is by posting advertisements. Now when you start growing your WhatsApp channel and you start getting engagement and you start getting engagement, people are going to come to you, brands are going to come to you so that you can post their products on your channel, which you are going to charge them for because it's not free. In this economy, nothing is free now. We all know when a brand reach out to you and bring their product for you to post on that your WhatsApp channel for you to advertise, you are going to charge them the amount that you want to charge them, and they are going to pay, and you are going to post their product. That is one way for you to make money on your WhatsApp. The second way for you to make money on your WhatsApp channel is through posting your product. Let's say you have a product that you sell, then it's easier for you to post on your WhatsApp because you have a lot of communities. Because at times when we post video or status on our WhatsApp status, It's not everybody that views it, because nowadays people have a lot of content, and you will just view those first people and you just leave the rest. You get? So now when you have a WhatsApp channel, you are always posting that your product in your WhatsApp channel, and people there are really going to see, because surely they are going to open the message, because that your message in that your WhatsApp channel is going to be at their eyes. That's how it is. So it will be easier for you to sell your product, and it will be easier for you to grab their attention. So this is the second way on how to make money on your WhatsApp channel. The third way on how to make money on your WhatsApp channel is through affiliate marketing. Now, this is where you post a product and you are going to get your percentage or your commission from each product anybody buys, which is how to make money. So you can see there are lots of ways to make money on your channel than for you to be using to be laughing and be giggling your legs. So this is it, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do want to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification to join this wonderful channel. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.